Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a fun little project to share with you guys. And this is inspired from a video that I had seen from Sabrina Ann, I think last year, her Halloween little series. It's such a great idea, you guys, but on her video, she uses spools. I didn't have any, so I just used some of these little vintage clips. But it's just different styles of crepe paper trim. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the ones that I have made here. And then I'm going to end the video with a little clip of how I sew them together. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let me show you what I have done. I did both of her styles. I think she did just the layering one. And I rolled them up here, which is a good way to store them or send them to a crafty friend. This is what the clips look like. I think I got these at my local dollar store. I'm pretty sure I did. And they're super cute. I think I have some white ones as well. And this is just layering two different colors on top of each other. And it's good to have some just stored away. That way when you need it, you don't have to do that at that moment. You just grab some, cut it off, and use it on your project. So I did this style and two different colors. So I have it in purple as well, as you can see, and it just looks so cute, either on a spool like Sabrina did or on these cute little vintage clips. And then we have this one here, which is I think 3 or 4 layers of crepe paper, and then it's stitched down the middle, but then you cut it up and then you can flare it up when you're ready to use it. I don't have it flared up because I do have it stored, so when I want to use it, but once you can gather it up, it'll look so pretty on any project, and it's like multiple layers. So I'll show you guys on the video exactly how I sewed up mine. But look how cute, you guys. And then I did purple and pink with the layering technique. And then this is another one like this one, because I did super long one, so I can have like 2 rows of this one. And then the last one I did is this one right here, which is so fun. I used some book pages and the crepe paper and layered it, and then did the little cutting on the side. So there's 2 layers of crepe paper and then a book page. And look, you guys, how cute is this to use it as like a little bag topper? I love the way they look. So I have an orange one, a purple one, a pink one, and a black one. And I'll also show you guys on the next clip how I sewed them together. And yeah, you guys, this is just a fun little thing to do to add to any packaging. Like, let's say that this had like a little top. This would be cute to add right on top. And then you could decorate it, and it just gives a little extra something to your packaging. But yeah, so that is it for my talking part of this video. Enjoy the video clip of me stitching up some crepe paper and showing you guys how I do it. It's super easy, you guys. It's basically just gathering up your crepe paper and running it slowly through your sewing machine. You just got to be very careful because it is crepe paper. It tears easily. But there's just no perfect way. There's no rules. And in some parts, see, it's not gathered, but it still looks super cute. So you just got to kind of keep gathering and stitching. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so before I head into the stitching part of the video, I wanted to show you guys that I did prep my crepe paper. I'm going to be doing 3 layers of black with the polka dot paper, 2 layers of white with a small strip of purple, and 2 layers of baby pink with the polka dot, and then 4 layers of the baby pink with the purple. And then after I stitch them, I'll show you guys how I cut them and trim them to do the little ruffles. But let's get on with the sewing part of the video. And you guys, you can make them any size that you want. I do about 12 inches of crepe paper. So on to the next part. Okay guys, so we have our little ruffle trim. This could have gotten a little bit more like this. This one went, sometimes it's a little hard to grab the stitching together, but you can just fix that when you're placing it on your project. But I ended up doing pink and the black polka dot. The purple with the pink looks so cute. They don't have to be perfect, you guys. And this is what they turned out like. If you want to do this one, you just stitch on it flat. You don't have to do the crinkly thing. You stitch on it flat, and then once you have that all stitched up, you fold it, and then you do your little cuts, and then you can just like ruffle it up like that, and it'll look so cute on your project. But yeah, you guys, that is my crepe paper all stitched up, ready to go. You just grab your little clothespin or your spool, whichever one you have. I have these little clippies, so of course I would just place mine right there and wrap it around. And then you can like put some twine on it and send it to a pen pal. Isn't that cute? But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.